Now let's talk about floor connections and roof attachment. Any type of floor system or roof attachment is very easily adapted to the Logix system. The only difference is we need to pre-plan for it because we're dealing with concrete. So to save time and money, we want to make sure we do it right. With Logix, roof attachment is very simple. We can use wet set metal brackets to install trusses. We can use a top wood plate. We can recess that wood plate. We can do virtually anything that you would do with a masonry, concrete, or wood wall. When SIPS panels are used on a Logix wall, it's very easy to create a rock-solid base for that system simply by taking the angle that the SIPS roof system will sit on our product, cut one side of our form off, and we can create that angle that perfectly matches their system and screw it on to give a rock-solid system. We can easily put a wood top plate on top of the finished Logix wall for roof attachment. We can use anchor bolts and simply put it flush to one edge or the other, depending on your requirements. We can also trowel the concrete down 1.5 inches so that we can easily put that plate down inside of our form so that we can minimize the air infiltration and the air leaks that might come from that top plate.
This is a Logix brick ledge form. It can be used with a treated 2x4 sill anchored to it to create a ledger for your floor system. You can also bolt a conventional ledger directly to the concrete wall and use joist hangers. Another way is to use a metal bracket designed specifically for ICFs. This is a Simpson ICF LC bracket that is made specifically for hanging ledgers on ICF walls, and it's very easy to use.
What did we learn about floor connections? We learned we can use ledger or steel anchored to concrete to support a floor. We learned we can use transitioning widths of the Logix product to provide a concrete shelf. We also learned that our brick ledge turned to the inside provides a very good load-bearing surface. On roof attachments, we learned we can use a wood ledger plate, we learned we can use steel, or we learned we can place weld plates up there. All of these ideas are available in CAD drawings on our website, downloadable versions as well as viewable, as well as in our product manual. Next, we're going to talk about service penetrations.